I'd like to say this is the first time, but there have been others.
How many?
Who can keep track?
You think this is a joke?
Darling, we need answers, and you're gonna give them to us.
My car broke down. I brought it here. I got stuck paying an expensive repair bill.
You pick up your phone and you call CarShield before the car breaks down.
A plan through CarShield could save you on some criminally high auto repairs. Call CarShield before a breakdown and save yourself from getting stuck in car repair jail.
All you had to do was call CarShield. And you could have protected yourself against expensive repairs.
Yeah, and then my price will go up the minute I file a claim.
Shut up! CarShield has the price locked in.
For as long as you cover your car.
I guess I should have called CarShield?
It's about time you said something that made sense.
Now you know what you need to do next time.
Don't wait until it's too late. Get CarShield's best coverage yet. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.